Hey you guys, it's your girl Maria back with another video. Here I'm going to show you how to get your nails from this to this with press-on nails that last over 14 days. Stay tuned. So here are all the products that you'll need to ensure that the nails last for 14 days. I got the nail set from Target. I think you could find it on Amazon as well. It was about $8 and it comes with all of these things inside of it. So let's get started. First, I started with manicuring the nails. I think it's so important that you manicure your nails, make sure they're clean, that cuticles are pulled back and filed down before you actually put any nails on top of them. It irks me to my soul when nail technicians don't do this. Anyway, so I did all the manicuring and now I am going to file down the nails, and then I'm making sure I'm buffing the nail bed. This ensures that the glue, when it's applied, it sets into those ridges, making the nail stick longer. That is like the secret sauce. From there, you're going to want to use your acetone on a cotton ball and apply it to the nails. This will dry out the nails so that there is nothing prohibiting the nail from actually sticking to the nail bed. So once that is done, you want to go ahead and get your nails and measure or size them up with your actual nail bed. You want to make sure they're not too small and they're not too big, overlapping onto the skin. So I did this with all of the nails. I like to make sure I measure all of the fingers first, line them up per hand, and then I will start applying. So that is what you're seeing here. But I found that press-on nails are a great way to keep your nail beds healthy. It's very cost effective and efficient, especially with today's inflation prices. And no one has time to sit in the nail shop to get your nails done anymore, especially with all of the COVIDs and things like that going around. So it's health conscious as well. And if a nail pops off, you don't have to go run back to the nail salon to get your nail fixed or anything like that. You just need to make sure you have your nail glue handy and the nail, and you can pop that thing right back on. So it's very convenient, and you are most likely not going to experience any trauma from a broken nail. No bloody nails will be involved. You ladies know what I'm talking about. Anyway, I think it's just such a great idea all the way around. Your nails are always going to look fresh, and you won't have any nail growth showing at all. So you're always going to look good, and you can switch up the colors for as long as you want, and they last a long time with this method. All right, so back to business. Here I am applying the glue. So less is more in this case. You're going to want to put 1 or 2 drops of glue onto the nail bed and 1 or 2 drops of glue onto the actual nail. And then you're going to press it down and hold it there for 10 seconds. And then some of the glue may spread onto the skin. You'll just use the wooden pick to wipe up that excess. And you're going to do that on all of your nails, and you're going to want to make sure once you apply everything, you don't want to get your hands wet for at least 2 hours. So make sure you carve out enough time to not wash your hands. I also have my nails with the press-ons in the darker color, and I just love them. So here I'm applying cuticle oil to her cuticles, and then I will just rub this around her skin. This will loosen up any glue that was extracted from when I pressed the nail on. And then lastly, I will just shape up the nail with the nail filer. There's a little tab that's on the end of each nail. You're going to want to remove that with the file. And if you wanted a different shape, you could also do this at this time as well. But the shape is pretty cute and natural. And we're just going to keep it the way they are. Just remove that little tab there. Here I'm just massaging in the cuticle oil, and that is the last step. This will ensure that your nails are going to last you for 14 days or longer if you're really about that life, but I think they turned out great. They're so cute. Let me know what you think.